Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Poke Social Club. We have got another 18 packs of evolutions. If you saw our previous video, we opened the right hand side. Got some pretty decent pulls, but no Charizards. But look, there is a Charizard and a Charizard. That must mean
Charizard.
it's Charizard time. Are you ready, Mini Charmander?
Yes, I am.
Right. Again, big shout out to Craig who sorted us out with this booster box from Facebook. Much appreciated. Let's hope he's done us a favour. We've got us some good cards. Right, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Right, here we go. 3 from the back.
And we got a Misty's Determination, Purgov, Devolution Spray, Machop, Weedle, the Duo, Staryu, Onyx, Drowsy,
First Drowsy. Oi! Venusaur EX. So we've got a Mega Venusaur full out in the first video. We've got I hate to say normal, but a normal Venusaur EX alongside Drowsy. So that's not a bad first packet.
No it isn't.
Let's move that over there.
Switch, Machoke with his guns, Full Heal, Growlithe, Ghastly, me, Rattata,
Still got rats.
Caterpie, Brock's Drift, and Arcanine with his teeth. Right.
With his teeth. His only defining feature. His teeth.
Stripes, Fluffy Bomb.
Fluffy bomb.
Here comes Team Rocket. Why do I think that's a secret? I have no idea.
It is a secret rare.
Oh yay!
You're alright. Didn't even notice. 113, 108. Here comes Team Rocket. We'll put that there.
Magmar / Butthead.
Oh!
7 Pikachu! So
Two
cool.
secret rares.
In the same pack.
Such a cool card in the same pack.
Vulpix, Sancho, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu,
Pika.
Electrode.
Oh,
Electrode.
double electrodes. We were saying in the other video how electrodes are pretty common. There we go. But two secret rares in the same pack. It's not something I've really seen before.
No, me neither. I've never seen Leonhardt or anything. Kakuna, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Blastoise Spirit Link, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu, Energy, Staryu again.
That is what we wanted, everybody. We have got the Charizard Hollow card. It's weird. I opened that pack and it felt a lot thicker than the other packs. I'm like, oh, we obviously have something in there.
Thick in there.
Thick. Right. The centering isn't great. Well, it looks a bit much thinner this side than that side. That's not ideal. So look. No obvious print lines. On the back. Again,
Seems good to kind of grade that one.
the back is not bad. There's hardly any whitening on that one. What we don't have are sleeves. Quickly look in the bag of destiny, Mini Charmander, for the sleeves. And don't knock the set over.
I won't. Hopefully not.
But there we go. Charizard. It's a shame about the centering. That won't be a PSA 10, but it'll be a PSA something.
PSA 8 or 9.
Because we're going to get that, yeah,
God.
well done, dropped it on the floor. We are organised on this channel.
Yes, we are.
So let's get that in there.
Hopefully I don't knock the set over.
No, let's replace him
With him.
him.
Boom.
There we go. Oh, and a star you, but who's bothered about that? Not me.
Not
Here we
me.
go, here we go. Well, I might as well stop now, right? Oh no, we'll carry on.
No. We
What
would
if we
never
can pull
stop.
another one? I don't think that's possible, but we shall give it a try. The reverse would be alright. The Mega
Switch.
Charizard would be nice.
Oh yeah, because it's rose common set. Coughing. Revive. Magikarp. Electabuzz. Rattata.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
She's not sure. Brilliant.
Nidoran.
Rattata
Another
reverse.
Rattata.
And a B-drill.
A Beedrill.
Note
With
to
his
self.
drill hands.
Note to self, turn Alexa off.
Yes. Beedrill can just drill into Alexa.
Don't say her name again.
No. Pokedex. Haunter. Energy Retrieval. Ponyta. Nidoran. Vulpix. Energy. Magikarp. Vulpix again.
And Whoop, there we go. That's interesting. That shouldn't have been the other way around. A Mega Pidgeot EX. Again, I think one we've already pulled in one of our other videos, but still pretty cool to have a couple of EXs there. Pidgeot.
That doesn't beat the Charizard.
Nothing beats the Charizard.
Nothing could beat him.
Oh, Charmander.
Is that a sign?
Could be. I don't think lightning can strike twice. But we'll see.
No. Rock Script. Professor X hint. Metapod. Charmander. Diglett. Gas. Caterpie. Drowsy.
Reverse Poliwhirl and
Zapdos. Reverse. Hollow.
No, not reverse.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I mean, hollow.
Hollow. There we go. It's quite a subtle shine to that.
Subtle hollow.
That's pretty cool. That I like that.
Shade.
Not one I've seen before. I don't think. I'm not sure we've got.
I've
that.
seen that before.
Oh, of course you have.
I've got one. Or he's got one.
Yes. The Royal We. Right, here we go again.
Devolution Spray. Nidorino. Slowbo Spritlin. Voltorb. Diglett.
Another Diglett.
Caterpie. Poliwag with a big tail. Fat Pikachu. Machoke.
Reverse Machoke.
And Mewtwo.
And a regular Mewtwo. Well, I say regular.
He is like regular.
It's rare.
Or normal.
So rare, we've got him twice.
Yes, yeah.
Right. Onwards and upwards.
We have a Machop as our first looking card. Potion. Maintenance. Poliwhirl. Machop. Tangler. Vulpix. Fire Energy, that might be a sign. Voltorb. Super Potion.
And a
And
far.
Farfetch, that means good luck. Bird
Does it mean
holding
good
a
luck?
leek. I think it means good luck in Japan, a bird holding a leek.
Does it?
I think it does, yeah.
Or it means that a bird has just come and stolen your leaf.
No, I think it means good luck.
Hey!
Something bigger though.
Number 2, Surfing Pikachu.
That rhymed. Misty's Determination. Porygon. Me.
Yeah.
Magnemite. War Energy. Growlithe. Machop.
Reverse
Shiny me.
Reverse Charmander and a Dug Trio. Again, I'll flash the prices up on the screen if they're worth anything. If they're not worth much, then I won't. There's too many to go through.
Yes.
But
there is
Evolutions
tons.
is just such a great set. One of our favourite, if not the best set to open.
Yes, it is. Kakuna. Full Heal. Machoke. Doduo, Pikachu, Staryu, Onyx, Weedle, Raticate,
And whoa! There we go. Mewtwo EX full art. 103 of 108. That looks pretty good. Again, I'll flash the price up on the screen. That looks pretty good. On the back, that looks pretty minty to me. No whitening. Maybe slightly slanting that way. That side's maybe a bit further down than that side. But overall,
we could grade that card.
we'll grade that. Mewtwo, you're in there. You're in the pile. We'll do another separate video in the week or so of the cards we are going to go and send to PSA. And that'll be a long old process. But,
Yes, because it will probably be all our cards.
no, can't afford to do those.
Revive. Here comes Team Rocket.
There we go. Another secret rare.
Magmar. Tangler. Ponyta. Doduo. Staryu. Seal.
Oh,
That's a break that I don't have.
another break card. Machamp break. So we pulled the Nidoking, was it, in the previous video? Now we've got the Machamp. Pretty
Very
cool.
muscly.
Golden Machamp.
He
Again,
is
getting a
gold.
good variety of cards here. It's just,
Yeah, we are.
pretty good. We
The left
have
side is better than the right side. Sorry,
six packs left.
6. Yes, it is.
Again,
6.
right, I'm going to call something here. This feels really thick. Thicker than the other ones.
Thick.
That is a really hideously centered card. Whatever the last card is not very good.
And upside down.
And upside down.
Nidorino. Double Energy. Charizard Spirulink. Poliwag. Diglett. Seal. Nidoran. Ponyta. Now pull this through.
Boom! What are you doing upside down?
What are you doing?
Not
upside
entirely
down,
sure,
mate?
but there we go. Mega Charizard. Is that the alternative art? No, that's not the full. No.
That's not the full art. It needs to be a full art to be the rarest card.
Right, that's the one. But this is one I'm not sure we've got this one.
No, we haven't got that one, but it's the not full art version of the one
That's
that
right.
is full art.
Yes.
So it
yes.
is rare.
I'm sure that makes perfect sense. Again, I could feel the thickness in the pack. Yeah, Mega Charizard EX. Amazing card. Shame about that.
Shame about that condition though.
Look at that. Look how off-center it is compared to that side. Possibly
yes,
not.
That is very off
Yeah.
center.
Possibly not worth grading, but the rest of it's pretty cool.
Especially the front and the Japanese writing.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll have a think about that. But what a card to pull. Very happy with that. Let's put him somewhere a bit more prominent. There we go. Wow.
Sleeve them up.
Charizard Central. That's what
It
we
is
like.
Charizard Central. The
Central.
left side.
Again, thick.
Thick.
Thick. I might be wrong.
I saw a red card at the back.
Excellent.
Fingers crossed. Metapod, Switch, Coughing, Electabuzz, Magikarp,
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Ah,
Sandro, Weedle, Ponyta.
an Arcanine.
That
So
wasn't
not thick.
at all.
That card feels incredibly thick.
Which
There you
one?
go. The Ponyta. Right,
What?
4 packs left.
So
Pretty
for-
happy with our pulls so far, to be fair. Can't really complain with
You
what
can't
we've
really
got.
complain with the Mega Charizard.
No,
That's
just
not the Charizard.
complain about the centering.
Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirulink, Energy Retrieval, Rattata, Caterpie, Manamite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Weedle, Eradicate. There's 2 rats in our backyard. Oh my god.
Plenty of rats. Right, 3 left. We'll save
And
the.
there's a Charizard.
We've got a Charizard pack.
And then I think it's a Venusaur. No, Blastoise.
I'm gonna call thick
No, Veno.
on this.
I don't know. Poliwag, Box Grip, Professor X Hint, Nidoran, Poliwag, Energy, Rattata, Vulpix. I can see something thick.
Voltorb.
Nothing's thick at
Nothing.
all.
Nothing. Just us being thick. Right, Electrode. Right, so let's go for Raichu.
And then we'll go Charizard, because why not?
Charizard. Well, why not? Because it's the last pack. That's all we've got to open. Right.
Machoke, Potion, Maintenance, Doduo, Fat Pikachu.
Pika.
He is thick.
He is thick.
Machop, he is thick as well. Growlithe, Fluffy Bum. Onyx, Seal,
And
Reverse Hollow Ninetales.
Hollow Ninetales.
I'm dumb.
Yep. No, not really. Just just mistaken. So there we go. Again, that's quite a subtle, like the Zapdos. It's quite a subtle pattern to that. But that is a really cool card. Happy with that.
It is cool though, I mean that.
It's really cool. Again, if there were something, I'll pop the prices up on the screen. I mean, this is only a set that's 4 years old, so they're not going to be worth a ton of money. But there
Well, I mean,
might
it's
be a
4
few.
years old. Revive, Slowbro Spirit Link, Super Potion, Staryu, Energy, Growlithe, Gasoline, Charmander, I am not thick,
Sandshrew.
Sandshrew,
And Dugong. Might as well have the Dugong.
who
Why
is
not?
spoiling the party and is not thick at all, and that's why he's
So there we
spoiling.
go, everyone. We have got some absolute
Fire.
crackers today. We've got a couple of
These, and
couple
a
of EXs
them.
there. Look, Venusaur EX and a Pidgeot EX. A break,
A break.
which I was trying to magic in with my fingers. The badly off-center Mega Charizard
Which
EX.
actually looks really cool.
That is a cool card.
And I would love to ride a Charizard, to be honest.
Yep, wouldn't we all?
Mewtwo.
Mewtwo full art, which again I'm not
Which is
sure.
going to be graded.
I'm not sure what we've got, but there we go. That's another excellent card, and the card of cards. Again, you can tell it's slightly off center,
Slightly.
but the rest of it is fine. So we'll send that in for grading. Again, these trainer kit sleeves are not great for showing off the shininess.
No.
Look,
Doesn't look like shiny at all.
no.
Just looks like.
But there we go.
No.
The Charizard. That's the one that we wanted. Thank you very much for that,
Costs
Craig.
like 40 quid.
Right, so there we go. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That's our second half of the Evolutions Booster Box done. We've got the Charizard that we wanted. So Daddy Snorlax is a happy man. Right, that's it for today. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what else you'd like to see on our channel. We're up for doing anything, well, as long as it's legal, of course. And we'll see you on the other side. That's it from Daddy Snorlax.
And Mini Charmander.
Bye.